Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and confirming status lights. This prevents handshake errors later. Next, plug the Xbox HDMI OUT into the Elgato HDMI in so the console sends video to the capture card. Then connect the Elgato's USB to your computer and launch Game Capture HD or OBS. This registers the device. Once done, make sure the Elgato input appears as a source. If not, recheck cables and USB ports to rule out loose connections. Now configure software. Choose the Elgato HD60 as your video source and set output to 1080p at 60 frames per second for smooth capture. Adjust Xbox HDR settings or use pass-through if color appears washed. HDR can conflict with capture cards. For audio, enable HDMI input and turn on monitoring so you hear game sound through your PC, then balance game and mic levels. Once stable, save this profile so future sessions load instantly and avoid repeated tweaking. You're ready to record or stream. Start with a short test clip to verify audio-video sync and frame stability. If you see lag or dropped frames, try switching the Elgato to a different USB port and lower the capture bitrate. Also enable game mode on your TV to reduce display lag. If issues persist, reseat HDMI connections, reboot the Xbox, PC, and Elgato, and update the Elgato firmware and app. These steps resolve most capture conflicts and restore reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.